In this video, we are going to discuss about floating carriage micrometer used to measure outside diameter, beam diameter and root diameter of threaded workpiece. It consists of cast iron base having pillars and two accurately aligned and adjustable centers are mounted on pillars. This machine comprises of three units. The base casting unit carries pair of centers on which threaded workpiece can be mounted. Lower slide unit mounted exactly 90 degree to the above of base casting unit, and it is capable to move parallel to threaded axis. Top slide unit can be mounted on above of lower slide unit, which is capable to move at 90 degree to threaded axis. On one end of top slide unit, there is fiducial indicator which gives us amount of pressure which we are applying in order to clamp the threaded workpiece. Means fiducial indicator indicate amount of pressure which we are applying. On the other end, there is one micrometer drum which can read up to accuracy of 0.002 mm. To measure outside diameter of threaded workpiece, first I will take standard masterpiece. This masterpiece would be having standard diameter of complete circle with no errors are present in this masterpiece. And it is adjusted between two centers with the help of micrometer anvils. Here original diameter is D1 and the reading into floating carriage micrometer, that is indicated by reading R1. Here masterpiece is used to provide initial setting for the floating carriage micrometer. Once the setting has been done, then we can place threaded workpiece in between centers as shown here. Now we have to take second reading, and this reading will correspond to outside diameter of threaded workpiece which we are measuring, and that reading would be indicated as R2. Once all these readings are taken, we can use formula to calculate outside diameter of threaded workpiece. That is outside diameter DO is equal to D1 plus or minus reading R2 minus reading R1, where D1 is the diameter of standard masterpiece, R1 is the reading of micrometer on standard masterpiece, R2 is the reading of micrometer on threaded workpiece.